Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find moderation settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here, and now here you will find settings. Click on it, and here as you see you will find moderation settings, and you can manage it as you want. And that's how to find moderation settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.